The Motorola Edge 70 is currently a rumored upcoming smartphone that's expected to succeed the Edge 60 series. And while it hasn't been officially announced yet, the leaked specs suggest it could be one of the most impressive mid-range devices of 2025, combining sleek design, power, and durability in one solid package. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore the leaked features of the Motorola Edge 70. Now, starting with the build, the Edge 70 is incredibly slim at just 6mm thick, yet it's IP68, IP69K water and dust resistant, and military grade standard 810H compliant, meaning it's ready to handle the elements while maintaining an elegant profile. Moving on, the device weighs only 170 grams, which means it's going to feel really light in hand, and the design continues Motorola's tradition of stylish minimalism, complete with Pantone color finishes for a touch of personality. On the front, the phone boasts a 6.67-inch OLED display with 1 billion colors, HDR10 Plus, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels. The visuals are expected to be very sharp and vivid and perfect for streaming or gaming. Plus, PWM dimming reduces high strain, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i adds solid protection against scratches and drops. Under the hood, it's expected to run on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip backed by 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Edge 70 will likely ship with the Android 16 and promises 3 major Android upgrades, keeping the device relevant for years to come. On the camera department, Motorola seems to be going all in. The dual setup includes two 50MP sensors, a wide and an ultra-wide camera that's at the rear, both with face detection of the focus, and the main sensor featuring OIS for stable shots and videos. The phone supports 4K recording and up to 240 FPS slow motion, while the 50MP selfie camera also delivers 4K video and HDR, ideal for vloggers and social media content creators. Audio quality is also a highlight, with stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos, although the 3.5mm headphone jack is not present. Connectivity remains cutting edge with Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, and Smart Connect features for seamless device integration. Keeping it all powered is a 4800 mAh battery with 68 watts wired fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging, ensuring you get hours of power from just a short charge. So these are the top features of the Motorola Edge 70. As I mentioned earlier, it's just a rumored device, so these specs may not be entirely correct, so please take them with a pinch of salt. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.